Markets update. First of the month sees Bitcoin skyrocket to $6,900 plus. The price of Bitcoin continues to drive higher as the decentralized currency's value has reached a high once again this week, touching $6,915 per BTC on November 1st. Bitcoin markets rally hard on November 1st according to the spot value across some of the world's popular exchanges. Bitcoin has reached an average of $6,915 on the 1st of the present month. Currently, the price is hovering just above $6,800 after some sell-off. The digital asset has been relentless all year long, seeing $500 minus 1,000 increases with ease and sometimes in a day. At the moment, Bitcoin commands a $116 billion market capitalization with over $3 billion in trade volume over the past 24 hours. Besides Bitcoin Cash markets, which are up over 19%, nearly every other digital asset is dropping. The top 5 exchanges swapping the most Bitcoin this evening include Bitfinex, Bithumb, Bitflyer, GDAX, and Hitbtc. Right now Japan is leading the pack, with the yen commanding 60% of the BTC volume by currency. The rest of the currencies following the Japanese yen include the USD, KRW, EUR, and the GBP. Moreover, gone are the days when China captured the lion's share of Bitcoin trade volume. Chinese trade volume has seen the CNY plummet from the 5th position just a few weeks ago to an all-time low of 19 out of all the world's Bitcoin trades. However, Chinese trade volume, using over-the-counter (OTC) networks like Local Bitcoins, has increased substantially. Bitcoin price reaches $6,915 across global exchanges. Technical indicators: Bitcoin prices are up well over 500% during the course of 2017 and are outpacing nearly every currency and commodity in the world. Performance-wise, currently, charts show incredibly bullish buy pressure and targets set at $7,000 are definitely attainable. The short-term simple moving average (SMA) is coasting well above the long-term trend line, which means the path to the upside has very little resistance. Fibonacci retracement at 61.8 over the past 24 hours indicates an upwards trajectory of $7,200. The RSI is holding steady northbound, while order books show a mountain of sellers at the $7,000 range. If buyers can reach this zone, it might be really smooth sailing all the way to $7,600. If things are to go south, there is a vast amount of buyers around the $6,600 zone acting as the first solid foundation. After the sell-off, it and number 8,217. Likely we will see consolidation between the $6,700 to $6,800 range. After the height past $6,900, Bitcoin markets see some heavy sell-off to below $6,800. Cryptocurrency markets at the time of writing. The only 2 digital assets in the green are Bitcoin, BTC, and Bitcoin Cash, BCH. Almost every other cryptocurrency market is suffering from 3 to 10% losses or more. Ethereum, ETH, is down 5% at $289 per Ether, while Bitcoin Cash, BCH, has reached a high of $550 across global exchanges. Bitcoin Cash has taken the 3rd highest market valuation, pushing Ripple, XRP, to the 4th position. Ripple markets are down 3.5%, averaging around $0.19 per XRP. Lastly, the 5th highest market cap held by Litecoin, LTC, is also down 4.6% with a global average of $52 per LTC. The verdict: overall, cryptocurrency proponents seem thrilled with Bitcoin's price rise as the currency continues to smash milestone after milestone in valuation. Bitcoin's price will likely be volatile throughout the course of the next 2 weeks before the hard fork approaches. It and number 8217. Anyone and number 8217. Guess what markets will do during and after this event, as people are uncertain about how the pending fork will play out. Bear scenario. Prices are high and could correct at any moment. As stated above, this month will likely see volatile price swings which could go either way. If things get bearish, then we could see drops to the $6.600 region and possibly a fall to $6.200 from there. Between those 2 points, there's a substantial amount of buy pressure as far as the order books are concerned. Anything lower than $6.150 shows we could enter the sub-$6,000 zone from that type of downward pressure. Bull scenario. Speculators definitely assume a majority of buy pressure is stemming from the SegWit 2x fork. The assumption is people are dumping altcoins to get in on the 1 split distribution. If that happens, this means a continued amount of buyers could ing the price well above the $7,000 range into uncharted territory. Currently, the Fibonacci and other tools indicate prices could reach $7,200 in the short term and possibly $8,000 the week before the fork. Where do you see the price of Bitcoin heading from here? Let us know in the comments below. Disclaimer: Bitcoin price articles and markets updates are intended for informational purposes only and should not to be considered as trading advice. Neither Bitcoin.com nor the author is responsible for any losses or gains, as the ultimate decision to conduct a trade is made by the reader. Always remember that only those in possession of the private keys are in control of the money.